Hi artsy friends, how are you today? So we're back with more drawings for our summer bundle, and today we're going to draw our ice cream. So this will be a fun one because who does not love ice cream in the summer? Or all year round actually. And it's also going to be a fun one. The drawing of it's going to be pretty basic, pretty simplistic, but then when we get to the creative end of it, which is where you guys really shine, you're going to have a lot of room for design and pattern and color. So it's going to be a fun one. All right, the first thing we're going to draw is a triangle. And we're going to draw, basically, I'm gonna find halfway in the middle of my paper and then down a little bit. I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line, not too wide. This is gonna be the top of our cone. We're just gonna bring it down in a simple triangle shape. You round it a little bit at the bottom. Okay, now for the scoops of ice cream, basic shapes, we're going to do a circle and then an oval. And we're gonna add more detail to that in just a minute. Now, with the circle, if you're thinking about a scoop of ice cream, it's never really a perfect circle, right? Because it just isn't. That's just not what it looks like. So let's rough this up a little bit. Let's make it not look quite so smooth. So what I want you to do is kind of follow that circle, but give it some dips and dives and think about a scoop of ice cream and how it might form on that cone. Okay? And then the same thing with this part down here. So you're gonna kind of go up and down. So you're kind of like adding a little bit of a wave to that line. And that's gonna make it look a little bit more realistic. But the reason why we draw the oval and the circle to start with is to really give our minds and our eyes kind of placement and direction of where that circle is going to be, or where that scoop is going to be. So that's looking a little more realistic to me now. All right, I'm going to do 3 scoops of ice cream because 1, the more the better when it comes to ice cream, and 2, it'll give you guys more spaces to do design and pattern and have fun with color. So I'm gonna follow the same steps. I'm gonna do a circle. I'm gonna overlap it on this one. So I might even start down here and do my circle and then do my oval. All right, and then this, let me bring that out a little bit wider. And then the same thing, I'm gonna think about this being an actual scoop of ice cream and give it a little bit more of an organic shape, more of a natural shape. We don't want perfect circles because that's not really how ice cream scoops. And the same thing with this oval part, kind of go over it. Make sure you guys are drawing lightly. I say that a lot, and that's because when you draw lightly, it's easier to erase, and it's very common to be erasing when you draw. If you have trouble drawing lightly, and you may have heard me say this before, hold your pencil very loosely. The tighter we grip our pencil, we draw or write darker. So if you tend to draw dark, loosen up on your grip a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do one more scoop. The same thing, I'm gonna start with a circle, and this is a big one up there. And then put that oval shape in, and then go around and make it look a little more realistic, a little less of a perfect circle, and more of maybe what we imagine a scoop of ice cream would look like. And again, same thing with that oval. And then erase the lines that you don't want. All right, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do some detail now. You guys can follow along, or you can take it from here and run with it. This is your creation and it should be your work. But if you wanna stick around and add some more detail with me or get some ideas and kind of do your own spin on it, let's do it. So, the first thing I'm gonna do is add a little texture in the cone. Texture is the way something feels, right? And if you think about this, I drew a sugar cone. Think about the way a sugar cone feels. It kind of has those crisscross lines in it, and then it feels a little bit bumpy, I guess, so it has grip. So I'm gonna do those lines. I'm gonna arch them a little or curve them a little bit. And when you curve, if you have an object that has line work in it and you curve that line, that helps to give it volume. It helps to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional versus if you were to just do straight lines. It's a little tip for you. And then I'm gonna do crisscross lines going the other way. Again, I've curved those lines a little bit just to make it look like this is a three-dimensional object, because it is in real life. Okay. Now I'm gonna go through each of my scoops and think about different flavors and maybe textures or things that I could do to represent those flavors. I'm gonna start down here. I'm gonna make this one a chocolate chip scoop. Chocolate chip of some sort. I'm like, sure. Regular chocolate chip. No, this mint chocolate chip. And again, I'm kind of just doing, you don't want it too perfect. You don't want them too perfectly spread out. Just kind of creating those little pieces that look like chips. And this is also part of this flavor or this scoop. So I'm gonna continue those down here. Don't make them too even. Make them a little bit more sporadic, a little more random, and it'll look more realistic. Make that kind of dip down like it's hanging over the cone. I like that. Do it again over there. Also, when you're doing something like this that's filling this whole space, don't be afraid to make those, part of those chips go off the edge a little bit. All right. I might make my next flavor like a swirl flavor. I don't know, like a fudge swirl or something, because I feel like that would be really fun pattern to color in later. I just do the whole thing, these kind of swirly, wavy lines. But again, this is your ice cream. This is your art. You do kind of whatever you feel inspired to do. I'm just kind of giving ideas at this point. And then my third scoop up here, I'm going to make it have rainbow sprinkles because, again, more color, kind of the more fun to draw. So I'm just going to do very skinny little ovals, skinny little sprinkly ovals. And I think that'll be really fun to color in. Add color too. Again, some of them will go off the sides. And another thing you can do, and I like to do this in a lot of my artwork, especially this kind of artwork, which is more kind of like design or illustrative, add a fun little border. So you can put a frame around it. And then, I don't know, whatever kind of comes to mind, get creative with it, but don't be afraid to add some kind of fun little border around, however you want to do it. Could be the same. I'm just doing different to kind of give you guys ideas. You could also make it more realistic. You could add, my son did this project and he added a hand coming in from the side, which I thought was pretty clever and really fun. You could make it dripping. Oh yeah, we could add, if it's summer, right? Always have dripping ice cream. Maybe do one of the flavors. So that's it. That's our ice cream drawing. Go ahead and add some color to it. I would love to see what you come up with. Please share it with me if you can, and I hope you had fun.